Welcome to today's video. I want to redo my office and I have a romantic Italian type of vibe I want to go for. So let's go shopping and see what we can find. First stop is Home Goods. I'll attach in the first clip what I'm kind of envisioning. That honestly, my dream is to have a dream garden, but that's future. Whenever I have a more private backyard, my dream is to have like a lemon tree or some form of fruit tree. But how cute are these gardening items, which all fit the theme. I am here mainly for picture frames and decor for the office, but I did drift away and found all these cute stuff. These butterfly planters are so cute. So come along with me and let's see what we can find today. And I found the perfect sheets, and there are in the queen. They're gorgeous and were $40, and I regret not purchasing this. And these are Laura Ashley, and they are $39.99. So enough drifting, and let's go look at the stuff that we're looking for the office. I'm looking for a lamp that is not too big, but a smaller size. Like this size would be perfect. This one's gorgeous. I don't know how I feel about the shape, but these two are really pretty, and I absolutely love this floral one, but I'm not sold on the lamp shape quite because I think it's going to be a little too bulky, but these are so gorgeous. Comment down below what you guys think, which lamp I should go with. And so far, this is the closest thing that I found that I really liked, and maybe I should have got it, but I didn't. And it's a set of 2 for $24.99. So I haven't really found anything that I really loved. Okay, but at least I found this very cute cup, and it's on clearance. So let's go ahead and check out. So unfortunately, I found nothing in HomeGoods, so I'm gonna run to Target. Apparently, I heard the person at the cash register saying that there's a tornado watch. So obviously, I'm gonna have to either skip it or hurry up and head home. But of course, we're at Target, so let's grab a few things I need for home. Now that I'm watching the playback, I mean junk food, I guess. This flavor is all over TikTok, the Olipop Barbie Peaches and Cream, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. And now back to the decor. And I should have done decor first and then the food, but we're gonna have to rush because this girl got some ice cream. But I am obsessed with this pot, and like think about some beautiful florals, hydrangeas, or something cute like that. And I think I found the perfect pillow. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I think this hits the mark in all of the check boxes that I'm looking for. And I believe it is $22. And how cute are these ribbed taper candles and the candle holders? I think I should have just gotten all of this stuff because all this stuff works for the vibe I'm going for. And I think this picture frame is gorgeous, and it works so well with the pillow as well. And I found this little vase with a soft peach flower color. Look at how gorgeous this is. And I think this is about $22 or $20 or something like that. And then I found this lamp, and I think it's so cute because it also has a little curve to it. So I think that would be perfect for a desk. And this was $59.99. And that is all for today. Comment down below what items you think I should buy. And if you guys can guess the total here, I'm going to go ahead and give away some $5 gift cards for coffee. Guess my total including tax, and a few of you will get some gift cards. Alright, so I found some things that I really liked in Target, but I was not yet committed to purchasing yet. But what I did find, the Olipop Barbie's Peaches and Cream that like everyone on TikTok is raving about. So I'm going to give that a shot. And no idea why the volume cut off here, but basically me explaining that I don't usually buy like cream sodas or anything like that, but this is actually really good. The Peaches and Cream, it has the perfect hint of peach and cream where it's not too creamy and not too sweet. But I did buy my backup drink, which is a tropical punch that I know I really like, and there's one drink from Olipop that I do not like, and I forgot the flavor of that one. So I just got home and I noticed this was originally $20 and now $5. But let's go ahead and make a latte. That is all for today's video. If you enjoyed it and want to follow along in my office transformation journey, go ahead and subscribe and comment down below what you guys think of this theme or inspiration that I have.